Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the GMGN website to find good meme coins, screen on-chain transactions and discover profitable wallets. The name GMGN comes from good morning, good night, and we will cover everything from registering and funding an account to identifying and copy trading good wallets, so keep watching to the end. Besides Dex Screener, Bubble Maps and Cielo, GMGN is one of the best tools to search the crypto market for promising coins and top traders. The website is free, and to sign up, click the link in the description below this video and you will be taken to the registration page. Press the connect button and sign up with your Telegram account or your Phantom wallet. I recommend using Telegram to register because Telegram gives you access to all the advanced functions like copy trading, sniping, smart wallet tracking and much more. After connecting, your Telegram app will open. Press the start button to generate your personal GMGN wallet address and click the login website button to complete your registration. You can choose the light or dark mode. I prefer dark mode because it's easier on the eyes. If you want to view the website in another language like Spanish, German or Chinese, just select your native language here. Make sure to select the Solana blockchain. If you want to trade meme coins on Tron, Base or Ethereum, you can select that network. Let's make a first deposit to your GMGN wallet. Click on Transfer Funds to open the deposit page. You can copy the QR code or copy the wallet address to send your Solana to. Do not send other tokens than Solana to this address or it will get lost. If you need more information on how to proceed, click on the Academy link for more details. Open the My Wallet page to see the Solana in your wallet. The next thing to do is export your private key. Click on Export or Import Private Key and the GMGN Telegram Sniper Bot will open. Click on the Export Private Key button to copy your secret key and store it somewhere safe. You will need this key again if something goes wrong and you need to enter the private key again to restore your account. To purchase a token, navigate to the search bar and search the meme, new pairs or trending section to find a good coin. Or you can type in the token name or paste the contact address in the search bar. After selecting the token, press the buy button, enter the amount of SOL you'd like to use and confirm the purchase with the quick buy now or buy the dip button. You can also use auto trading and set a stop loss and take profit limit order here, so you don't need to do that after placing a manual buy. Don't forget to adjust your priority fee. A moderate fee of 0.005 usually works fine, but if it's set too low, the transaction may fail, especially if there is an issue with the slippage. For low cap tokens, I recommend to set slippage to 20%. Feel free to set your own slippage and see what works best for you. To sell your tokens, click Sell Now, select the amount of tokens to sell and confirm. You can view all your trades on the My Wallet page. One of GMGN's standout features is its ability to track top traders' wallets. Go to Copy Trade to view high-performing wallets and click on a wallet link to see the win rate, the recent profit and losses, the holdings and the token activity. Click on their X or Twitter account and if the wallet belongs to an influencer, you can follow them on X or add them to a list with good traders like I did here in my GMGN meme coins traders list. If a smart wallet that you follow places a new trade, a red bubble and a sound prompt will pop up in the following box in the lower left corner. GMGN can also send out instant Telegram notifications if a wallet in your follow list performs an action, which is amazing. When choosing a wallet to copy, avoid wallets with a 100% win rate. These wallets are based on single trades or are run by sniper bots. Pick a wallet that holds its trades for a reasonable period instead of making quick, high-frequency trades. I have a few videos on my channel where I explain how to find and copy trade profitable wallets, so check these videos if you want to know how to pick the best wallets. Thousands of meme coins are launched every day and some wallets buy up all the new tokens. When choosing a wallet to follow, consider your own trading habits and avoid following too many wallets so you don't get information overload. Once you have picked a wallet to copy, click Create Copy Trade and in the Copy From field, enter the wallet address and set the fixed buy amount, which is the specific amount of Solana you want to invest every time the trader makes a purchase. You also have the option to enable auto sell and customize take profit and stop loss settings to define when your trades will close. I recommend enabling auto sell and I would leave slippage on automatic, but if your trades don't go through, set it to 40%. For the priority fee, you can choose 0.005 SOL. Once everything is set, click confirm and you'll be able to monitor the trades being opened and closed as well as track your profit and loss. A quick tip, ensure your account has at least $100 to back up potential losses. Some traders open multiple positions for the same token, so your balance must be sufficient to cover the trades and let you recover from any losses. Okay, that's it for now. Thousands of meme coins are created every day and most of them will go to zero. The probability of producing a golden coin with a market value tens of millions of dollars is extremely low. With high return comes high risk, so please be responsible and don't put in more money that you can afford to lose. If you found this information useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, trade safely and see you next time. Bye bye.